Health benefits of ghee. First of all, what is ghee? It's a special kind of butter that has been the staple of traditional Indian cuisine for centuries. By boiling regular butter, you remove the butterfat from the mass, making it healthier. This comes with a bit of lactose left over from the milk. Although it is somewhat unknown in the Western world, ghee is entering the spotlight in style. More and more nutritionists and dietitians emphasize ghee's advantages over regular butter. With added vitamins like A, D, E and K, ghee has many secrets that will surprise you upon finding them out. Another thing in ghee's arsenal is special fatty acids. It helps in improving the functioning of the brain. Now that you know about its mystical cooking ingredients, it's high time that we go in depth about all the health benefits of it. No other food element has got as much bad press as ghee. With research conducted over the years, it has come to light that instead of harming the body, ghee is right for you. It turns out our grandmothers were right in cooking food in ghee and adding it to our bowls of steaming dals and rice. In the scriptures, it has been equated to gold. Considering its amazing benefits, our ancestors knew the real value of ghee. How to make ghee at home? Delicious and healthy ghee can be prepared using full fat or heavy cream. You can either buy it from the stores or collect the thick cream that settles on top of the milk. Take around 2 cups of heavy cream and add around 1 tablespoon of curd to it. Leave it outside for around 7 to 8 hours. Then refrigerate the cream for 5 to 6 hours. Add cold water to this cream and blend in the food processor till butter separates, leaving buttermilk behind. You can use this buttermilk for various purposes. Remove the butter and wash it well twice or thrice. Then keep this butter for heating. When the butter starts boiling, keep stirring occasionally. The liquid portion will gradually evaporate and milk solids will settle at the bottom of the pan. The remaining golden yellow liquid is ghee. Once it cools down, strain it to remove the milk solids. Store the ghee in a closed container. Nutritional value of ghee. Ghee is a calorie-dense food. 100 milliliters of ghee gives as much as 883 calories of energy. Ghee is purely fat and has no significant amount of proteins, carbohydrates, sugar or fiber. 100 milliliters of ghee contains almost 99.8 grams of fat. Most of the fat present in ghee is saturated fat. It also contains cholesterol. Ghee is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin E and vitamin K if the source of ghee is the milk from grass-fed cows. It also contains butyric acid. Here are some amazing benefits of ghee. Has healthy fats. Research proves that ghee is low in fat. It has healthy fats which make it a good cholesterol to the body. Ghee does not cause heart diseases like other forms of fat. Helps digestive system. Ghee consumption is strongly related to a healthy gut. In the olden times, our ancestors used to have a spoonful of ghee before every meal. It lined the gut and reduced chances of ulcers and cancer. Strengthens immune system. Ghee is rich in butyric acid, which helps the body in producing T cells that fight diseases. Source of essential vitamins. Ghee is a dependable source of critical all-soluble vitamins A and E that are needed for a healthy liver, balanced hormones, and fertility. Anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer. Ghee has butyric acid, which is an anti-cancer constituent. The antioxidants present in it make it anti-inflammatory. Boon for lactose intolerant. Ghee is lactose-free. It doesn't cause allergies in those who suffer from dairy or casein intolerance. Treats burns. Ghee is one of the safest dermatological cosmetics. It is skin-friendly and helps treat burns. Healthy skin. Rich in antioxidants, fatty acids, and a natural emollient, ghee helps you with maintaining healthy skin by locking in moisture, improving skin repair, treating cracks, and softening the skin. This is also one of the popular traditional benefits of ghee. Thicker skin. Due to the presence of vitamin E and the fact that it can improve hair thickness, ghee is great for applying to the hair and scalp. The health benefits of ghee mean that it can also ease a dry, itchy scalp due to its moisturizing properties. Strengthens bones. Ghee is rich in vitamin K, which helps in calcium absorption. It helps in the prevention of tooth decay and prevents atherosclerosis. Cures thyroid dysfunction. Since the usage of ghee results in balancing the hormones, it is instrumental in thyroid dysfunction. Weight loss. Ghee revs up the body's metabolism, making it an ideal medium for weight loss. Consumption of ghee makes it burn the other fats in the body and thus causes weight loss. A high smoke point. Ghee does not break into free radicals at a high temperature. Free radicals are responsible for cancer, amongst other diseases. This makes it an ideal medium and a stable fat to cook and fry food in. Treats menstrual problems. Ghee tends to balance the hormones in the body. This makes it an ideal contender if you are looking to relieve yourself of menstrual issues like PMS and irregular periods. An appetizer. Ghee consumption increases appetite in kids and adults alike. This is another reason to add it to your child's food. Enhances taste. Ghee elevates the taste of any dish that it is added to. A ball of dal becomes tastier after adding ghee. Positive food. Ghee attracts toxic elements in the body and helps in cleansing the body of harmful stuff. It is one of the most sattvic foods. Regular consumption of ghee leads to a reduction in stress and anxiety levels.